Good morning, everyone. Welcome again. As you all know, we were doing assessment of personality. In that, we have already discussed of some important techniques. So, rest of this we will discuss today. Start with projective techniques. These are methods to understand the covert and unconscious behavior, which is more significant. These techniques are based on the concept of projection. So in this indefinite unstructured stimuli like vague pictures, ink blots, incomplete sentences are provided to the subject and he is asked to structure them in any way he likes. So in doing so, he unconsciously projects his own desires, hopes, fears, repressed wishes, etc. are revealed in terms of clues. The common ones are the following. Like start with Rorschach ink blot test. The Rorschach test is a psychological test in which subject perceptions of ink blots are recorded, then analyzed using psychological interpretation, complex algorithms, or both. Some psychologists use this test to examine person's personality characteristics, emotional functioning. It employed to detect underlying disorder, especially in cases where patients are reluctant to describe their thinking process openly. In this test, the test consists of 10 cards on which there are ink blots. 5 of them are black, white, and 5 are multicolor. They are unstructured and the shape do not have any specific meaning. The cards are presented to subject one at a time and he has to say what he sees in it and what does it look like. The time is given to the subject. Examiner notes the response is both the description and emotional or face expression. After the completion of this test, there is a second phase where the subject is asked to clarify his expressions and narrations. Here you can see these cards. 5 cards are black and white and 5 are multicolors. So with the help of these tests, we assess the personality. Next is thematic appreciation test. This test consists of perception of certain pictures in a thematic manner. It consists of 20 pictures which portray human beings in variety of actual life situations. The pictures are different for male and female. The pictures are presented to the subject one at a time. There is no right and wrong answer. He or she may make up a story for each of the picture. The following aspects are considered while making up the story. What is going in this picture? What is reason of the set scene? And what will happen in such a situation? In thematic test, in making up the story, subject unconsciously projects so many characteristics of personality. Interpretation is based on the following: hero of the story, personality of hero, theme of the story, style of story, content of the story, and test situation, whole and part. Next, here are some pictures of thematic appreciation test. We see this picture and make up a story. Second picture is here. So here hero of the story, theme of the story, style of the story, content of the story are test situation are asked to the subject. Next test is child appreciation test, means CAT. It is similar to TAT. It consists of 10 cards. The cards have picture of animals instead of humans. Administration is the same as TAT. Interpretation is based on hero of the story, theme, end of the story, attitude towards parental figure, family role, nature of anxieties, punishments and crimes, and defense and confidence, etc. are used in this child appreciation test. This is only for children. This test is only for children. Here are pictures and children make story of all these pictures. 10 pictures are used here in this test. So these are some projective techniques are used to assess personality that we have discussed today. Next time we will move further. Thank you.